This right here is the K9 wireless microphone, and this video will be testing it to see if it's still, if it's a good mic for you to go for today. I got this mic over 2 years now. Yes. And people have been asking me, is the K9 good for video creators? You want to create content and all. Is this still what you're going for? Because it's actually one of the most affordable mic that still gives you a good sound quality. So let us find out, okay? Now, I'm not going to unbox because I've unboxed this 2 years ago, right? But I just got the combo, which is dual mic, okay? And I got the Type C that also has, an adapter for iPhone mount, that is lightning mount, right? So this is just how it is in the box, as you can see right here on your screen. It just has the charging cable, okay, where you can charge it by the side, right? And I'll tell you how you can connect it to either of your device, right? That is any of your phone. If it's an iPhone, if it's, let's say, an Android, because there are different ways you need to connect this. So if you're watching this video and you've gotten this mic and you're wondering how can you connect this to your phone, then you're watching the right video, because I'm going to explain that for you. Okay, so first of all, we are going to test the audio quality. Now, I'm currently using my Holy Landmark M2 mic to shoot this video. Yes, I actually moved from the K9 wireless microphone to this mic when I felt, okay, yes, I need to upgrade my audio quality. But if you're a starter and you want to go for this mic, then here is the audio quality. So I'm going to disconnect this I am currently using and now connect this so you guys can hear how it sounds. Currently, there's no noise around me. However, it just has a tiny bit of noise cancellation. But let us still see what it picks up and how it is when I connect this. Okay, so as you can see, I have connected the K9 wireless microphone to my phone. Yes, and it's showing plain green, which means it is connected. Okay, and what do you guys think of this audio quality? You're comparing it to my previous mic. Yeah, you guys should just let me know what you think of this, and if it's good. Like I said, this place is actually very, it is not noisy, it is very calm. So I don't know if you can still hear probably any background noise, or if it's speaking my plosives, like when I say the P word or the B words and the rest of them, if it speaks it, because I noticed that the other mic does not pick it. But let me know what you think of this quality in the comment section. Okay, now when it comes to connecting this mic, you have two methods to connect it. The very first one is very easy. I have to just plug it to my phone and turn it on. While I turn this mic on, right, it was just blinking red. So when I connected the port to my phone, it showed steady green on both the port and both the mic to show that yes, it is connected. So that's how we're going to know it is connected. And when I started shooting, right, my phone told me you are recording the audio through a microphone. Yes, however, your phone may not tell you, depending on the phone you are using, right? But my phone does tell me, right? So that is the very first straightforward connection. Your Bluetooth has to be on, but it's going to connect straight up. Right now, the second method, if you buy this and let's say it is not working for your Android phone, go and download an open camera. Yes, go to Play Store, go and download the open camera, and just follow this method you're seeing on your screen so you can connect this mic. So go to Play Store and go see it here, download the open camera. All right, see it here, the open camera. So once you install it, you open it, then you go to the settings. All right, then when you go to the settings, you go to video settings, then you scroll down, then you click on audio source over here, audio source. Then as you can see here, mine is already in external mic if present, but on a normal day it will be in camcorder. All right, once you install this app for the first time, it's going to be in camcorder. But right now, you will change it from camcorder to external mic if present. But now, one thing about this whole open camera thing, that is, if your phone does not connect this straightforward, is you have to use the open camera to shoot your videos so that it can shoot through the mic. Yes, this happens a lot. For a lot of people, you have to use the open camera. And people complain that the open camera quality is not as good as their main camera quality. Well, as at the point of making this video, there is no fix to that, okay? But for recent phones do not have that problem. All the phones now connect directly to this K9 wireless microphone. Yeah, so if your phone uses the open camera, you just have to manage it. Yes, until probably you can now, let's say, upgrade and start using another phone that does not require you to use an open camera with this mic. So yes, for the price, well, I bought this very expensive. Before I tell you how much I bought it as of then, I want you guys to give you a thumbs up if you've gotten knowledge from this video. Yes, because I've showed you guys the audio quality, told you guys how to connect it, the two method I used to connect it, and even everything inside the box, so you know what you're getting. Right, so make sure you give you a thumbs up, right, and even subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and turn on the bell notification icon, because on my channel here I review gadgets. As you can see, we have MacBooks over here, we have iPhone, Samsung, and everything around tech. Yes, I do that right here on my channel, so I'm sure you know not to miss that out. Okay, now for the price, as when I got it, well, let's say I'm the first person in Nigeria to buy this mic. Yes, and I got it around 25k. Okay, because it was very, very scarce. 25,000 naira 2 years ago, right? But right now it's around, you can get around 10,000 naira, depending on where you are getting it from, right? Probably 10,000, 15,000. Yes, I may add probably a link for you to just go purchase it directly. If it should be around the area, because this mic now is in all gadget store. People that sell power bank, that sell chargers, they also sell this mic, because everybody's creating content today, right? Yeah, so just go check it out and get one for yourself. But guys, try to get, if you just this K9, probably, I don't know if I've seen the K11. I have not tested the K11. But when this mic came out, then they started producing, like, call it fake, right? Or the above version. Sorry, not above version, the Chinese version, right? The whole dub and everything. So try to get a good one, because if you don't get a good one, the audio quality is going to be very poor. I've seen some people with the whole K9 or K11, and when they got the mic, it is worse than what I was getting on this mic. Yes. Okay. And what you'll be hearing from this video on this mic, I did not touch it. I would not work on it, because normally, sometimes after my video, I love to still just touch up my audio quality a bit. For this video all through, I would not touch anything. Okay. So you can just, this is what you are getting from the mic automatically, right? Is it echoing? I think I can hear he displays echo, but I'm not sure if the mic is going to get it. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you're going for this mic or not, or which one you're going to be going for. And I would just tell you if it's a good buy, or if you just dodge it and save your money. That's what I do on my channel. Okay, and if you want to go for this mic, this is actually way more expensive. This is like times 10 of this price, right? Yes. Just let me know in the comment section, and I'll still tell you where you can get it. So yeah, because so you won't get the fake, and the audio quality is now very poor, even after spending the same amount that other people spend to get the original one. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the comment section. Also, my next video where I review more tech gadgets for you guys. So guys, go to your Telegram and search Friends of Smart Tips, or go to the link in my bio on either Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok. Okay, this link over here, click on it, then scroll down, then Friends of Smart Tips Telegram icon, click on it. Now, if it does not open immediately, just click on this three dot over here, then click on open in browser, and automatically it's going to bring you to my Telegram group, where we have discussions on tech, Infinix, Itel, Samsung, iPhone, anything at all, and even giveaways and lots more. So guys, I'll see you over here.